The next thing our little friend the internet gave me was your address. There it is. Jesus, it's like you've never seen a horror movie.
Super-Stalker? Wait, that's what it is. Stalker or super? Yeah, that's Super-Stalker.
Out of here! Now!
Settle down, Benji.
Serial killer? No, Super-Stalker. Stalker. I mean, there's boundaries here. At least I have boundaries. That's Super-Stalker. That's wrong on all levels. That was like, brings me back to Ray Donovan season 1 when that happened. Super-Stalker. That's all is forgiven, Stalker. Stalker. That's like qualifies as Super-Stalker for sure.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Joe? Yes! Woo! Ooh, a horror movie. My household? I feel like I hear that line from my daughter. Like, no, I actually have no idea.
Well, sometimes that is better.
Joe.
Sometimes we do bad things for the people we love.
That's a horror movie.
Looks like we've got a serial killer on our hands.
Oh my gosh, I'm so good at this game. Joe?
I would never hurt someone I love.
Horror movie?
Some places are like people. Some shine, some don't.
Horror movie?
I hate a guy with a car and no sense of humor.
Joe.
You paint me out to be this monster, this someone who could hurt people, who could do terrible things.
Ooh, I don't know, but I like that line. Horror movie.
Smile, you son of a bitch!
Joe.
God, I have to pee.
A horror movie. A scary movie?
We're friends to the end, remember?
I think I got 100%.